What is up, you guys? Brooke here, and I'm here to show you guys my new desk setup. I have a new desk, I'm in love with it, and before I kind of show it off to you guys a little bit more, don't peek, don't take a look yet, because I'm first gonna show you guys my Christmas tree. It'll be really quick, and I promise you'll like it because it's all like 99.5% Disney ornaments, so just take a look. It doesn't take time at all, so here's my tree. I love all of the Disney in my life. I just embrace it all. But now let's move on to the desk. I told you guys in my NaNoWriMo vlogs that I had changed my reward for myself that I was going to purchase for Nano, and I had thought of getting a camera, but I changed my mind. I wanted a desk instead. I wanted a desk to have more of like a concrete place to shoot my videos at. I wanted something really pretty and iconic for whenever you popped up one of my videos. So let me show you guys the hutch part of my desk here, and by saying what all I have on here for what reasons. So first up, we have my buddy Lumiere right here. Lumiere has been with me since before I even moved into this apartment. I got him from Disney World. He's loving it at his new home over here in my desk hutch. He used to live over where my bookshelf is, but he wasn't getting that love and attention that he deserved over there in the shadows. And so now he's brightened up by little fairy lights, which I feel like he would enjoy because he's a candle. He likes to light up himself. Oh, let me show you guys. He lights up too. How fun! So yeah, Lumiere's got his new little cubby that he likes to sit in and overlook the apartment, make sure everything is getting the luminosity it needs. And he sits next to my Lunar Chronicles books. So the Lunar Chronicles is one of my favorite series of all time. I adore it, and I felt like it belonged somewhere that was going to be seen more by people because it's a beautiful series, book cover wise. I mean, it's a beautiful series literature wise, but oh my gosh, the covers are so pretty and the spines are really pretty too. I just love these blacks, reds, and purples. I love it. So these get to sit right here. I eventually may take the Lunar Chronicles off of my hutch because I feel like that I am eventually wanting to display AuthorTuber type books here. I do currently own AuthorTuber books. I have She's Not Here by Mandy Lynn, Twisted Gift by Jesse Elliott, Shadow Crown, and Be Your Own #Goals by Kristen Martin. But they didn't look good up here on their own. I want to have them be displayed when I have more books written by my AuthorTuber buddies up on here. But until that is whenever I have more of them, so far I am going to be keeping the Lunar Chronicles up here just because they're so pleasing to the eye to see, and I will eventually get more of my AuthorTuber books up here, but that will be in later on whenever I am able to afford a lot more books by all my friends. Next up, we've got my Gone with the Wind glasses, and I love them so much. I was given to them by one of my girlfriends. They knew how much I adored Gone with the Wind. It's probably my second favorite movie of all time. First one of all time is Titanic. These Gone with the Wind glasses are the best. This is Rhett Butler kissing Scarlett O'Hara in this hot, steamy embrace, and I love them so much. They're one of my favorite couples to root for, even though they definitely are a complex couple. I love this glass. It's so pretty, and it shows off my fangirliness for one of my favorite things ever. And on the back, it says, "Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn." Next glass we have here is another Gone with the Wind glass, of course. This one is with Rhett and Scarlett again. There's a little chip little thing here, which is why you should not put these in the dishwasher, Brooke. Oh my gosh. But the quote says, "You need kissing badly," which is one of my favorite things in the movie when Rhett tells Scarlett, "You should be kissed often, and by someone who knows how." Next up we have a candle, which is in a candle holder that I had gotten from Bath & Body Works. This is a really cute holder that I don't want to really move right now because there's all the candle wax that's in there, and I don't want the wax to spill on my pretty new dress on my pretty new desk, so I can't be moving that right now, so that stays put. But I have to say, I don't know how long I'm going to be keeping a candle up here for now, because I like to burn candles a lot. I like to burn them quite often, and now that I have this candle burning here, I am feeling this area here on the wood to be really hot. And that really scares me because I know how often I burn candles, and I don't want the candle to be really ruining this part of the wood right above it. So I may find another place for this. I might put my candle down here eventually, but yeah, that's what's up. So I have fairy lights here. I feel like it goes with my aesthetics of fairy lights all over my apartment. And by my candle is Allie. Allie I've had for quite a while too. I got Allie whenever I first moved into this apartment. And he used to live on my bookshelf with Lumiere, and he deserved a new place to shine for my videos, and so I just figured he would go oh so well up here on the bookshelf. I feel like he's fitting in rather nicely. So anyway, that is everything that is going on in my hutch. So now let's move on to the main part of the desk, and I'll show you that too now. So down here on this part of the desk, we have, you know, my writing station where I'm going to be writing my books and stuff. So this is where my laptop will go, and behind that is this lovely woodsy background. Doesn't it look like fairies would live here? It's so cute and pretty. I love it so much. And I also put in fairy lights here, so that way it's just kind of adding a little bit extra pop. And I feel like the fairy lights go really well with all of these other type of light orbs going on in the woods. It just kind of adds so much magical whimsy to my writing area, and I love looking out at this whenever I am typing at my computer. And then over here I've got a drawer. There's nothing in it right now, but it's there. It's a drawer, and yeah, it will hold like pencil-y things eventually. I'm not sure what exactly I'm putting in there, but it will hold something later on in the future. Same thing goes for this cupboard. This cupboard is so nice and will hold things that I choose to put in here later on. Not sure what I will put in here, but there will be things that will go in there. Alright, so that about does it for my new desk tour, and I hope you guys liked it. I haven't really typed here so much because I kind of took a little mini break from writing because I needed a little break after NaNoWriMo. So yeah, I haven't technically written at this desk yet, but I have been on my laptop here, and I'm just feeling so many cozy vibes, and I just want to stay at my desk forever. And I'm glad I'm feeling that way, because if you want to stay at your desk forever, that means that you're going to be able to write for a much longer durations of time. My old desk was really boring, and it was just in front of my window where my window overlooked my parking lot. So yeah, that wasn't very fun. So I feel like this is so much better now. I'm just totally in love with it. I hope you guys are too, because that's what all you're gonna be seeing from me. Oh, and also, whenever Christmas is over, I will obviously have to be taking down my tree, but I am gonna hopefully put something else here that's fun, so that way it's still engaging to the eye in a way. Let me know what your favorite part about my new desk arrangement is, because I kind of want to see if Lumiere is going to be winning all of the votes, or if it's going to be my tapestry or the fairy lights, whatever. I want to see what you guys have to say about my new desk setup. If you all like this video, feel free to give me a big thumbs up below, and also feel free to subscribe because I'm going to be having lots of new fun writing content coming your way 2 times a week. And y'all should totally follow me on social media where you can find me at _Brooke Passmore. I am there on Twitter and Instagram. And thank you all so much for stopping by today, and I will see you next time. Bye!